What's up? I'm Benny Manuel II, founder of Train Relentless. Today I'm going to share with you 5 steps to weight loss mastery that I've used and implemented for over the past decade as a certified trainer and nutrition coach. Step 1, self-truth. This is the time to be honest about where you are right now. This is not a time to stick your head in the sand, to avoid reality, or to sugarcoat anything. We want an accurate assessment of what you're doing with your nutrition, what you're doing with your physical activity, and the state in which your body's in right now, only to set a baseline so therefore we can track and measure and continue a road to success and progress. But we have to know where we are right now, and we have to put it down on paper, and we have to address it, and we have to face it head on. Step 2, a championship mindset. We want to change the way we look and feel and change our health, so we need to change the way we think. And not only change it, but elevate it. So this is why we call it a championship mindset, because champions not only get different results, but they get those results because they have a different mentality. They have a different way they think about themselves, a different way they speak to themselves, and therefore it elevates their actions because they're taking themselves to the future. And that's what we need to do. So we don't need to think about how we look right now, our weight right now. We need to be thinking and acting and speaking to ourselves and about ourselves as if we've already achieved that championship. And that person speaks and thinks totally different than a person that is not a champion. Step 3, 10,000 steps a day. This is our cardio activity goal. Walking, jogging, running, taking the stairs, daily activities, work, an extra walk, whatever it is going to be all combined together throughout the day for this 10,000 step goal. Studies have proven that individuals that get at least 10,000 steps a day are more healthy and more active, and that's what we want. Step 4, muscle development. The goal here is to build muscle, and we do this through resistance training. And the goal is to do total body resistance training at least 2 to 3 days a week. And finally, step 5, healthy habits. We all know that doing anything one time is not going to yield long-term success and long-term results. We want to achieve weight loss and achieve health, but we also want to sustain it. So this is where routines come in. Morning routines, eating routines, your thinking and thought process routines and how you react to setbacks, your nighttime routines. All of these things create your habits, and your habits are going to create your results. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, then give us a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and we look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.